Hello everyone, this is Gulzar Munawar from Pakistan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the cross-talking, all about cross-talking, that what is cross-talking, how to use it, when to use it, where to use it, and why to use the cross-talking technique. That is very important technique in warehouse management, in logistics. So let's start our discussion. Starting with the concept of cross-talking, what is cross-talking? You can see on the screen a picture in which there are three different scenarios. In the first step of the cross-talking process would happen, an inventory arrives at your warehouse, and then just soon after unloading it, inventory is sorted and stacked for outgoing shipment, and on the same day order is shipped with no storage requirement. So what is cross-docking? It basically saves your time, it saves your cost, it saves your space. So that is what the technique, that is why the technique cross-docking is used. So we're going to read the definition of cross-docking, that what is cross-docking. Cross-docking is the process of transferring both finished material and product components to the customer with little or no storage time. Here you can see on the screen that we locally call warehouse. It is basically the cross-docking terminal in the cross-docking process, and you can see this dock is placed in the inbound area, and on the other hand you can see another dock that is in the outbound area. In inbound area, a finished good reach to the cross-docking terminal, and after screening and sorting it is delivered to the final customer through the outbound area. So it is what happening in the cross-docking. Now we are going to learn why to implement the cross-docking. To implement cross-docking, cross-docking provide a variety of benefits to businesses. Few of the benefits I have enlisted. Further, you can enlist through your understanding. The first very important and the core benefit of cross-docking is higher order turnaround rates. Higher order turnaround rates means what? You are getting more order for your finished goods. This is happening. Why? This is happening because of the cross-docking. Cross-docking is doing what? It is moving your goods, it is moving your product more faster than the conventional warehousing system. So it increases your order turnaround rate. The second benefit is it reduces the order processing cost. Why? Because you use less labor than in the conventional inventory management system. The third benefit is it reduces the inventory holding cost. Why? Because you need less storage space and you need less labor. So you are doing what? You're reducing the inventory holding cost, you're reducing your warehouse cost through the cross-docking system. And the fourth benefit that I understand is it increases your customer satisfaction. Why? Because you are ordering the product on time, you are delivering the product on time, and the process is very smooth and very efficient. So it increases your customer satisfaction level. The fifth very important is that it reduces your material handling. It reduces your material handling risk. Staff take what? Staff take the product less. Staff involved in the warehouse management become very much less. So it decreases the material handling cost, and it decreases the material handling risk or any damage that can cause to your warehouse. So these are the few of the benefits of the cross-docking. How can you improve your current cross-docking practices? If you feel that you're not getting full benefit, then consider the following suggestions that I would like to give. The first suggestion is to implement the automated data collection tools. Do not just obey the conventional system. Use some innovation in your cross-docking terminal. Use the mobile hardware solutions. Give barcodes to the finished material, finished goods. It will help you in calculation, it will help you in management of your inventory system. So focus on implementing the innovative tools, the new tools, and be aware about the new tools through internet, through the experts, and always take suggestion from the experts about what is happening in the modern warehouse system. The second suggestion is utilizing an inventory management system or warehouse management software. Use some software that can manage your team, that can manage your real-time data and gives you the real-time data available for 24 hours for your access and give you the accurate data what is happening in your cross-docking terminal. The third suggestion is that optimizing your facility layout. Layout means consider that what is happening in your inbound area, what is happening in outbound area, what is happening in the cross stocking area. Consider these all areas and take suggestion from your workers and how can we improve, how can we furthermore make it more efficient for our laborers, for our workers, for our customers. The fourth and last suggestion that I would like to give is locating facilities close to high volume areas. Give your location to the areas where your finished good is going to stock more. So it will cause what? It will cause the reduction in transportation costs. It will optimize your delivery time, and it will increase the efficiency and the customer satisfaction. So now we are going to consider the conclusion about our discussion on cross-talking. Dear audience, we are going to conclude our discussion. What we discussed till now is that what is cross-talking, how to use it, and how to increase, how to improve the cross-talking process. So we are going to conclude in the 4 sentences that you can see on the screen. The implementation of cross-docking within your supply chain company facility can help your warehouse, can help if you use the techniques that I have suggested, or distribution facility to utilize just-in-time methodologies and optimize your last mile delivery. It will optimize your delivery services, it will optimize your production services. Then what happened, that your turnaround will increase, then your profitability will increase, your customer satisfaction will increase, and your branding will increase. So it is directly or indirectly giving you the benefit, the cross-stocking technique. Second very important discussion that we have done is better services to your customer and improving your operational efficiency. Both are very important and both are very much interrelated with each other. The third conclusion that we can say is that your future cross-stocking may be changed. So you have to be aware of what is happening in the market, what is going on, what the industries are doing, other industries are doing. You should be known about all the other systems and tools. So being a very efficient manager, being a very efficient entrepreneur, you should be known about what is happening in the cross-stocking right now, or what are expected in the next 5 to 10 years. And the last conclusion is that businesses should evaluate their current operations. What are the lapses that are happening in the current cross-stocking operation and what improvement you need to do. So that is what we can conclude in this discussion. I hope it helps. And if you have any suggestion, if you have any information that you would like to share, you can share in the comment. Thank you so much for watching and keep sharing knowledge.